Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Remember, if you're new, hit the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Let me know what you think about the vlog so far. Guys can see I'm at the Red Bull truck. For the persons who are wearing the blue shirt, they are representing the Red Bull. Okay? Guys, right now I'm at the Smirnoff bus, so that's the persons who are in red. They're representing Smirnoff Ice. We're just vibes, and for me, I rather the red truck. The red truck had more vibes than the Red Bull truck, which is the blue truck. So now I was just following the truck, and I saw this gentleman. He said he would like for me to take a picture. So, of course, indeed, I went ahead and take a picture for him. So, that's what I'm doing right now. This bus now is a Lucasade bus, so anybody who is repping yellow, that is Lucasade. Okay, so yes, this girl in her nice mermaid ear and such, actors, you know. Anyways, watch the my truck here, Smirnoff. This is my truck. The vibes is lit on this side, man. I'm telling you. But the sun was hot, but I didn't care. I was having fun. Guys, if you were there, let me know. If you were there, comment below. Alright? So let's get back into the vlog. Yes, so back to the niceness. As you guys can see, these two dancers are enjoying themselves to the fullest. Can see they are so hype over Ocho Carnival right now. Guys, you should have been there. So maybe I'll catch you guys next year. If you're going, hit me up. I'll be going, okay? So it was so fun. I wish I could go back in time right now. But yes, this whitey, she's enjoying herself. Glad to know that she's enjoying Jamaican culture. That's why it's supposed to go. Yeah, come to Jamaica and enjoy yourself, man. At all the carnivals. So yeah. Can't book my waistline. Watch out, oh. No, sir. Watch me, watch him. No, sir.